Well, good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those new here, I'm Ray, the disabled traveller. Yeah. We are still in Tenerife and today we've jumped in the hire car. We've gone 59 kilometres up the west coast to a city called Candelaria. So Candelaria is a city located on the coast about 17 kilometres southwest of Santa Cruz. Yeah, right. So we parked the car up and we're going to walk down this road. A lot of people seem to be walking down this way. See what's down there, this rugged coastline. I do know that it's the volcanic black sand of what you see in this area.
Yeah, probably.
So sit back and enjoy a visit.
Something have been left to see. See?
Hey?
Something might have been killed. Look around here.
There's some people walking down there.
Down.
Down over
How about barrier?
Yeah.
Probably already a lot of fishing.
Ooh.
Pretty popular for the locals fishing. As you can see, these two fishing off the rocks. So we've turned around now, going to head back to the main square, where the biggest attraction of all lies. Very, very well populated here, tourists galore, so you're very lucky to find a parking space down this end as bus tours come rolling in. And as you can see as we walk around this corner, you'll see the main square where the 12 statues are. Well, I can't remember what they're for, but if you do know what they're there for, let me know in the comments below. And as we come round here, we're going to head in towards the church.
Bit bumpy.
The disabled access is right round to the side. Unless these ones take you in as well.
It says the ramp just here front.
Yeah.
So if you are disabled and you come in here in a wheelchair, then don't make the same mistake as what we've just done. This ramp does not get you to the church, so go back down, turn around the corner, and that's where the entrance is.
Oh, you can't get up.
Oh.
Well.
Right, we'll have to go around the other side.
Well, unless you're just nipping.
I've been in, I'll show you.
Well, that's a bit stupid, isn't it? Putting a ramp there, then we can't get in.
So here you can see the front of the church, the entrance, such a stunning view. and as you can see there is a ramp, so it is very disabled friendly.
Another thing.
No, it's just tint. You can get in.
Eh?
You can get in.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I think bloody big ramp.
Entrance to the church is free. They do have donation boxes if you want to donate. You can also light a candle.
No change.
Put a donation there, light a candle to have a prayer for the loved ones you may have lost in your life. It's such a beautiful church. The architecture, what's inside, and all the attention to detail and all that covings and whatever.
Stop here and think about it.
That's gone into these.
Yeah.
This is my confession.
I'll take a still picture of this car just for the rest of you.
Reverse me up and I'll take a still picture of this. On a video.
These pictures will be too dark for a picture.
Yeah.
Take one.
So we've come out of the church and we've got a confession to make, but we didn't see until the end that you weren't allowed to take photographs or film inside the church. But we didn't see any signs until we come out, so
Pay for
very
radio
sorry if
lights.
we've upset anybody doing this,
No.
but it's too late
Think
now.
about me then.
So we're going across up the square, going to go to the restaurants, going to get some dinner, and head up towards the shops, see if we get some presents.
Levels up there. My mum and my dad. Your mum.
My dad.
Yeah, well I never met your dad.
Oh, you didn't, did you? He died just as we met.
You what?
He died just as we met.
He died on our David's birthday.
Yeah.
He always shuts up. AC/DC.
Just fucking doing it. That t-shirt, just fucking doing it.
Oh, the t-shirt's gone. We've got to find something for Sabbath.
Yeah. And Alexander.
Yeah.
Can't forget little William now. Hello, mister.
No, it's over 1 year old.
Yeah. I say it's just going to be like a cuddly toy or something for him.
Yeah, but she might be sick from the big.
So we just follow the crowd and see where at least this looks like the main shopping area for all the shops, gift shops and The clothes shops, anything like that, a few eateries around. We're coming up to this shop here just on the left hand side with a green dress outside that caught Carol's attention.
Sneakers.
We did go back and she bought it. Another piece of clothing we've got to take back with us.
Nice. It's
It's a religious town, isn't it?
yeah.
Looking there for anybody for them?
So we're just going to go into this gift shop here, get some presents for the grandkids, and then make us way back to the car and back to his hotel in Las Americas. So if you enjoyed this video and you like this content, please do me a favour, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. It does help my channel grow. I really want to start doing more videos further afield, and we look forward to see you on the next video.
Housing for kids.
Bueno, habrá que hacerle darle seguridad.